Fun.
Welcome back to Asap Chill Out.
So as all of you guys know, 'di ba, maraming talent si Maurice. And isa na dito yung pagtugtog ng guitar.
Yes.
Tsaka yung pagkanta. So may hinanda siya para sa ating lahat. Ito yung song for her crush. So, pakinggan natin.
Ay, okay. Okay,
Ano?
crush mo.
Eto na.
Okay. Hey guys, para sa inyo itong lahat. And, yun, sinabi niya.
Ano sa crush?
Okay. There I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world without even knowing what love and life are all about. Then you came, you brought me out of a shell. You gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me meaning to my life, 'cause I'm gone beyond existence. And it all begun when I met you. I love the touch of your hair, and when I look in your eyes, I just know, I know I'm on to something good, and I'm sure my love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away with the aching part of me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, 'cause I'm gone beyond existence. And it all begun when I met you. Thank you.
Palakpakan natin, guys.
Ayun, wait lang. May
Sorry,
question,
medyo kasi nadudulas yung guitar sa screen.
may question muna ako. Since yung song na yan para sa crush mo, sino nga ba talaga yung crush mo?
Si Gray. Ay, tsaka.
Pero, sino talaga yung crush mo? Who's that
Si
song?
Piolo. At tsaka kinanta din to ni
Tsaka?
Piolo. So,
Siya ka?
sana i-follow niyo ako sa IG and Twitter, Marie Stellar. And sa IG, Marie Stellar. And sa Twitter, Marie Stellar Arcal. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
And abangan niyo po pala yung YouTube channel ko. Magka-cover na ako. Thank you.
Yon, more surprises coming back your way. Dito lang sa ASAP Chill Out.